So we were just here at the old Dr. Herringbone Beehive, and I was working on a guitar to take up to Wayne Henderson's tomorrow. Let Wayne see it, and I was just fixing on these tuners. These are the original old 1935, 1934 style Grover tuners with the, I think they call them cut tuners, and they're pretty rare. They have a rivet in them instead of a screw. But everybody's always thinking that, these old tuners get a new set of tuners, which most of my experience with new tuners has not really been that positive. But and these old tuners have a lot smaller gear ratio. Now they're 25 to 1 or something. These old tuners have a lot shorter gear ratio, so you don't have to turn them as many times. I think they work great, but they get sloppy and people, get new ones or whatever. What's happening is this gear is actually still fine. Most of the apparatus still works great. What's happening is these arms have become loose, so this rides up and down in that slot, and that makes it start getting funky to tune. And if you have the right set of pliers, which it took me many years to figure this out, regular pliers won't really work. But these pliers actually grip straight down on the tuner, and they don't bend that saddle over one way or the other. And that saddle being bent over one way or the other makes the tuner catch as you roll it around. So being able to move those back down to where they're tight on this shaft is what makes the big difference. Also, that they're at a straight angle and they're not bent over. And a lot of them, people hit them with hammers and stuff. You can always see places where they've been hit. But if you do that and you clean your tuners and you tighten those up and make sure they're not bent into where they're catching the gear as it goes around, or the worm as it goes around, you probably could make your old tuners work better than most pair of new tuners, and you keep it with your old guitar. So there you go.